If you've been struggling to understand trading, jumping between strategies, videos, and random indicators, this video will finally make things click. Because trading isn't luck, it's logic. And once you understand how price actually moves, everything becomes a lot simpler. In this video, we'll break it down into 3 parts. First, how the market really works. Second, how to use the right tools to spot better setups. And finally, how to think like a consistent trader, not just someone chasing wins. Part 1. Understanding the market. The biggest mistake most beginners make is trying to trade without understanding market structure. They see a few green candles and think it's time to buy. Then it reverses, and they get stopped out. Here's what's actually happening behind those candles. Every move in the market is driven by liquidity, where orders are sitting. When price pushes up to take out highs, that's called a liquidity sweep. Big players use those areas to trigger other traders' stop losses and fill their own positions. After that sweep, we often see a change of character, meaning the structure of the market is shifting. If the price was forming higher highs and suddenly breaks below the last low, that's a bearish change of character, a sign that momentum might be reversing. When this happens multiple times, it's confirmed by a break of structure, but this is where a real trend change starts forming. Then there are fair value gaps, those empty spaces on the chart where price moved too fast, leaving behind inefficiency. Price often returns to fill those gaps before continuing in the original direction. And finally, order blocks. These are areas where institutional traders have placed big buy or sell orders, and usually they are drawn from the last candle before an aggressive move. When price returns to those zones, it reacts strongly. That's where high probability setups form. Once you start seeing these things, trading stops feeling random. You understand why price moves, not just where. Part 2. How to trade smarter with SMRT Algo tools. Now that you know what really drives price, let's make it easier to read all this in real time. The Smart Money Toolkit from SMRT Algo does exactly that. It automatically marks up the chart with structure, liquidity sweeps, order blocks, and fair value gaps. All the things we just talked about. The best part is how visual and simple it is. When you're looking at an order block, the toolkit shows you the buyer to seller ratio inside that block. So you instantly see if it's strong or weak. So if you see a bullish order block that has a strong buying volume, it will be a strong support level that the price is going to respect. But when there's more selling volume, the order block is probably going to get mitigated. Then, once you've marked your zones and structure, it's time to confirm your entries. And that's where Pro V4 comes in. Pro V4 is one of the most accurate buy and sell indicators on TradingView right now. It uses AI optimization and multiple filtering systems to give you signals that actually make sense. Each signal comes with real-time confirmation data, trend strength, volatility, and volume, all displayed in one compact dashboard. Here's a simple way to trade using both tools together. For example, right here, price sweeps liquidity inside this bearish order block, and moments later we can see the price is retesting the order block with strong candles. Now we just wait for a sell signal, and then we can enter a clean short trade, setting the stop just above the order block and targeting key lows. Just like that, we've catched a clean reversal. And here's a little different example of a long trade. Price is retesting this bullish fair value gap and price sweeps liquidity. A few minutes later, we get 3 strong bullish candles in a row and a buy signal, so we can enter a clean long entry, targeting 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. You're not reacting randomly anymore. You're waiting for structure, confirmation, and alignment between tools. That's how consistent traders operate. Part 3. The trader mindset. But even the best tools won't save you if your mindset and risk management are off. Because the truth is, most traders don't lose because they don't know how to trade. They lose because they can't control themselves. If you keep closing winners too early and holding losers too long, you're trading emotionally, not logically. If you risk too much, one bad trade can wipe out a week of gains. And if you constantly jump between strategies, you'll never build consistency. A good system doesn't just help you win, it helps you stay patient. You start trusting the process instead of reacting to every candle. So remember this, the goal isn't to win every trade, it's to trade the right way every time. If you want to start trading with structure, clarity, and confidence, try the Smart Money Toolkit and Pro V4 from SMRT Algo. They're designed to help you see the market like a pro, even if you're just starting out. And if you want to learn more about trading concepts or see real strategies in action, check out the other videos on this channel. We post deep dive tutorials, strategy breakdowns, and real chart examples, all made to help you grow as a trader. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Because the fastest way to become profitable is to keep learning, step by step.